This is the accusump addition to the 3.5 ecoboost in the F-150 truck, so that you can pre-oil the engine, tighten up the cam chains, and stop that annoying rattle. As soon as you turn the key, the oil pressure jumps right up to normal. Then you can start the truck without any problems. Pre-oiling is a great idea, and the extra pressure there tightens up all the stuff that rattles and makes you unhappy. Thanks.